were my girl. Should've made you my world. Should've did everything to.
Smooth as my bed, so undercover by the way that you was watching me. The way you look at me, I'm feeling you. I just can't help but try to keep it cool.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is featuring Outre's True Frontal Peak 705 in the color Mulberry. This is how the unit looks straight out of the packet. It's a fully hand-tied 13x6 lace frontal, widow's peak hairline, pre-shaped and pre-plucked. This unit comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, an elastic band, adjustable straps with a ear-to-ear HD transparent lace. This is how the unit looks on me. I know my face is not showing it, but I was actually very excited to install her. I just know she's gonna eat. So first things first, I'm just making sure she's comfortable and in the right placement. Then I went ahead to push back any baby hairs because I like to create my own. I'm pinning my hair back and I'm going to cut the ear tabs on each side of the lace so it fits my head properly. I just wanted to mention, please ignore my wig cap. They didn't have the lighter shade, so I had went with the darker one. So that right there is what is showing. I start off with cutting 3 sections. I'm using the Ghost Bond glue around the perimeter and taking the end of my eyebrow razor just to smoothen the glue back and forth onto my skin. You're going to want to blow dry on medium heat for about 30 seconds. I go in with the Ghost Bond glue 2 more times for a better and secure hold, so this is all 3 times in total. I wait until the glue gets tacky, then I pull the lace down and press directly with my fingertips. I'm going in with the Got To Be Free spray for extra hold while using a comb and blow dryer just so that it spreads throughout evenly. At this point, I did apply my elastic headband and cut off the extra lace so it doesn't bother my eyes. After a while, I take my band off and I did go on the hottest heat setting with my blow dryer off camera. Here I am going in with the pressing comb. I want to get her real nice and flat so that she isn't so bulky at the top. Make sure that you're getting your back too. I know that you can see the front, but everyone else can see your back. This is going to have your lace looking more natural, so I always cut my lace off in a zigzag motion. I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation for a more soft and seamless look. As far as my baby hairs, I took out a thin layer and trimmed them to my liking. I did curl them off camera so that it will be easier to install, but just a reminder, you do not have to do this step. Not everyone is a fan of the baby hairs. To style my baby hairs, I did spray a bit of the Got to Be Free spray. Now I'm going to brush the hair out, and with these synthetic units or any type of curly unit, make sure you're brushing from the ends and work your way up to the roots to prevent tangles and knots. Here is how the unit looks from the side. Y'all, she is just so pretty. I love her and the way she flows. Here is the unit from the back. She is 28 inches long and heat safe up to 400 degrees. So here is the final look of this wig. Yeah, she is a head turner. The bomb, beautiful color, definitely looks how she sounds. The quality is really nice. She does tingle and shed, but that's to be expected with these synthetic units. She does come in other colors. Some of the colors are off black, ash brown, chocolate swirl, cherry crush, and tiramisu, if I'm saying that correctly. The texture on this unit is on the yaki side and is big head friendly. I got so many compliments on this wig. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye!
You were my girl. Should've made you my world. Should've did everything to make you happy, baby.